Alright, so this is a Gen 3 Toyota 4runner, the limited model with the door rocker panels or extra panels on the bottom, right? Okay, so to get this off, don't do like me and just grab it and pull it. But mine were broken anyway. But anyway, I grabbed it and just pulled it, right? Well, what you see here is you got all these holes for those plastic clips to fit in. They go all the way around. But you got this one piece right here that's made out of metal, okay? Now, mine was damaged, and by me pulling on it, I just destroyed it. So you can see the spot where it's supposed to be, the footprint right here, and this one was gone. I never had this one. This one's completely disintegrated. So how do you get this metal clip off? Originally, I thought, oh yeah, you just slid this on this way, right, and pop the clips in. But I looked at the manual a little bit more and figured out that you could take this clip out. The other thing is, you have this little area here for you to put adhesive in. So I was like, they got a spot for adhesive. That's strange. You also have adhesive for the top here. All right, so let's talk about this so that you don't destroy your door panel like I did. So what you want to do is open your door. Let me swing the camera around here. You swing the door open, and you see this black plug right here? You get this thing here, and you push down on it a little bit, and you get your pry tool in there. It'll probably destroy this thing, but let's see if we can get this guy out. Alright, so we get this guy out, right? Alright, so we got this guy out, and let me bring the camera a little closer. Alright, so we get this guy out. You notice there's a bolt back in here, and most likely it's going to be a 10 millimeter. That's what I'm thinking it's going to be. So let's see. Yeah, it's a 10 millimeter, right? Okay, so we'll hold the other side. Well, we don't want to drop that clip in the door. I got a good grip on it. And we got that out. So this is what's holding the panel on. Alright? So you can see I destroyed mine, but now that I've destroyed mine, and you know you're not going to destroy yours. So you got to take this off before you can take that panel off. So that's what it looks like once you take that little piece off that was on the outside. Okay? So yeah, so I'm going to have to repair mine. I'm going to get some epoxy and try and make a bracket that holds this, or epoxy this to the piece, and then just shove it back through. Alright, so I got a couple of options here. I can epoxy this stud right in here, just like that. That might work. The other thing is, they got all these spots for adhesive, right down through here. So in order for the new adhesive to work, I got to take time to scrape off this old adhesive. Oh, that's going to be fun. Yeah, that's going to be fun. Alright, so here's the original clip that I destroyed. And it looks like it's going to be like that high off of the plastic. I guess this, did that go under that, or did that go under this? Oh, I see. That went under this. So wait a minute. So if that went under that like that and that, that's what it looked like. It went under there. Yeah. Okay, so hold on, let's see. Maybe we could just put this back here. So if I were to, I can't just epoxy this right to the, well, I probably could. The stud's pretty long. Oh, I'm wondering. Okay, but you know what I could do is I could epoxy this back and then just fill the whole thing with epoxy. How exactly did that work? Let me see, I got a Sharpie. It looks like the center of it's going to be like right there. Center. Yeah, does that move? No, that doesn't move. Center. I'm just eyeballing this. So that should be my center. Okay, so now I could just epoxy the hell out of it and call it the good. Okay. So right now, I'm going to put this on the bottom of this. It's going to be 2. All right, great. We got that. Here's. I might not need to do anything. All right, so that was problem number 1 that was solved. Now we got to work on problem number 2. Okay, we're going for it. Yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the double stick tape here and the double stick tape here, and we're going for it. Man, that's a lot of adhesive they use. All right. I'm going to go back through. The rectangular ones, I'm going to put the red ones in. And the square ones, I'm going to put the blue ones in. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, I recovered. Wait a minute now. This one looks like it has a longer one. Or is it like the red one? Let me see this compared to the red one. Now, the red one's a little short. Well, this one's a little bit longer. Oh, so is that a rectangular one? So the rectangular one should be no, that's a square. So the square one should be the blue. Okay, I guess. All right, we're gonna go with that. This is actually the one that goes here. Son of a gun. Now how do you make that stay? Double stick tape. We're just a fly-by-night outfit here. Right, I actually got some epoxy from the days of making golf clubs. Hopefully it's still soft. It feels kind of hard. Okay, but it ain't. Okay, well, that idea is dead. What else can we do? Nothing. We can try some crazy glue, I guess. I have some crazy glue. You know what? I saw this trick that they said baking soda and crazy glue. Is that what they use to repair the F-16s? You know what? Let me go watch a YouTube. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, this idea is not one of mine. I saw it on YouTube, so I'm gonna try it. All right, crazy glue and baking soda, and supposedly I think you could repair the wing of an F-16 with this stuff. All right, so I got that lined up. Okay, got the crazy glue on there. Let's sprinkle some of this on there. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we'll do the other side. Okay, sprinkle the baking soda on that. Not that big nugget. Things you learn from YouTube. I wonder if this is going to work. All right, well, we're going to do that one. We might as well do this one. What the hell? calling this the crazy glue and baking soda repair. All right, so let's get this a little bit in position where it's where it looks like it belongs. Okay, put some crazy glue there. Get some baking soda powder. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Okay, now we need some more baking soda. Okay, that should be enough. Now we gotta squirt this on this side. Okay, a lot of crazy glue. Then we put the baking soda on it. I wonder if that'll work for this. Why not? Let's go for it. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Well, let's see. Well, it's pretty hard. Yeah, pretty hard. Pretty freaking hard. Wow. Oh. All right. We rebuilt the bracket. Okay. So I've actually had it. I thought I didn't, but I actually do. You know what? I'm gonna let it cure for a little bit. I'm not sure that you need to, but I'm gonna let it cure for a little bit. Eat lunch and come back in about half an hour, and we're gonna go mount this thing. All right, I just finished lunch, and let's. I'm gonna clean off this baking soda here. It's hard as a rock. Wow, wow, impressive. Okay, let me see if I can dump all this into a garbage can. I'm going to say that that is way more effective than yeah, that is way more effective than this epoxy, because even with epoxy you gotta wait. Okay, let's go outside and put this in. All right, here we go. Here's the fittings I did with the baking soda. What I'm going to do with this red tape is I'm going to take a little bit off and just leave it hanging off. And maybe the idea is I'm going to put this on there and then I'm going to pull it off after I mount all the clips and everything. Okay. So I guess that's how you put it on. Okay, so we're going to put this bolt on. Start it by hand. And I don't want to tighten it too much because I don't want to crack it. Okay. That's it. There you are. Okay. We got to make sure we snap in this plug, and we're all done. All right, so there you are. Gen 3 4runner, right front door panel molding installation, repair and installation.